From the palm of your hand to the frontiers of defense, microelectronics power our world. But the industry is at a critical inflection point. For decades, innovation has focused on squeezing more transistors onto silicon chips, but the demands of emerging technologies are pushing this approach to its breaking point. Fabrication costs are skyrocketing, and we're hitting the physical limits of miniaturization. The future lies in a new dimension: 3D heterogeneous integration, or 3D-HI. 3D-HI will revolutionize microelectronics by vertically stacking and interconnecting diverse components and materials, creating high-performance systems that surpass traditional 2D technology. This innovation allows us to move beyond the limitations of silicon, integrating new materials to achieve capabilities essential for both Department of Defense and commercial applications. To spearhead this revolution, DARPA created the Next Generation Microelectronics Manufacturing Program, NGMM. DARPA is partnering with the University of Texas at Austin and its Texas Institute for Electronics Research Center to establish the TIE NGMM Center in Austin, Texas. This open-access 3D-HI manufacturing center will foster a vibrant ecosystem of innovators, from industry giants to agile startups, all working together to push the boundaries of microelectronics manufacturing. This ecosystem will drive disruptive innovation and ensure access to cutting-edge technology for national security and economic competitiveness. 3D-HI will be the engine of tomorrow's breakthroughs, driving innovation across industries and ensuring U.S. leadership on the global technology stage. Join us in building a future with NGMM.